Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing a feeder and collecting supplies so you can begin immediately. Make a simple 1 sugar water mix. Measure 1 cup sugar to 4 cups water. Heat just to dissolve sugar, no boiling necessary, then cool to room temperature. Use a funnel to pour into a clean feeder and seal the ports. Once done, label the fill date. You do this because correct concentration and cleanliness prevent harm and attract hummingbirds reliably. Now you address placement and anti-pest measures to ensure birds visit and stay safe. Hang the feeder 4 to 6 feet high near cover, but not inside dense branches. This gives perching options and quick escape. Install an ant moat above the feeder or fill one with water to block ants. Add a baffle below to deter squirrels. Once mounted, watch for window strikes. Use decals if reflections occur, and make final adjustments to site. Finish with routine care and a key troubleshooting tip you can use right away. Clean feeders every 2 to 3 days in warm weather, scrub ports and bottle, rinse well to prevent mold and bacteria that can kill hummingbirds. Replace nectar every 3 to 7 days, sooner if cloudy. If visits decline, try moving the feeder a few feet, add more red or flowers nearby, and inspect for ants or contamination. If problems persist, remove feeder and deep clean for 24 hours, then refill.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.